Hello and welcome to ODC. We're thrilled you've joined us today as we introduce what's next for our powerful software platforms, introduce new hardware, and bring updates to our services. With that said, let's get started with software. Software is the driving force behind all of our products, from Orange Phone and OrangePad to CarPod and Home. Each system is designed for the powerful and unique capabilities of your device. Today, we've got a suite of new features for our platforms, so let's get things started with PhoneOS. Users have loved PhoneOS 10. PhoneOS 10 introduced a new system-wide design, further customization, a new look for everyday features, powerful intelligence capabilities, and more. Today, we're refining PhoneOS with our next big release, PhoneOS 11. PhoneOS 11 starts with new updates to the lock screen. You could already customize it from its default state with 3 new fonts and colors, and now with PhoneOS 11, we're giving you 3 more fonts to customize your Orange phone with, including Fancy, Swirl, and Compressed. You're also now able to add widgets back to your lock screen, and even above the date for the first time. And these new widget frameworks are easily accessible and available for developers with Widget Framework 2. PhoneOS 11 also introduces Setup Framework. Setup Framework allows your accessory to access the same one-tap pairing system as native Orange accessories, making it even simpler to pair stuff to your Orange phone. So now, you can just tap, pair, and go. We're also adding new ways to set up devices using your existing one. To initiate a setup, go to Settings, General, and Setup. You'll then be prompted on your new device to initiate the setup process. PhoneOS 11 also makes it easier than ever to create an icon that looks right at home on Orange Phone by introducing icon guidelines, which help you better design your icon for all of Orange's platforms. In Messages, you'll see a new, larger interface, which makes text easier to read at all settings. And Ava Intelligence with Smart Reply is now directly integrated into the messaging box, which makes it easier than ever to begin crafting that one that just feels right. We're also bringing refined updates to Wallet and Camera, which both feature a new UI that makes them unique. In Music, we're adding a new system we call Cover Merge. Cover Merge creates a new one-piece look for album art, background, and control menus. And all artists can use Cover Merge with an artist account, and later this year, you'll be able to make your own Cover Merge for your stations or playlists. And for when media is playing, you can now see an even more transparent dynamic bubble for Orange Phone 10. PhoneOS 11 is more customizable than ever, even in settings, where you can now choose from a wide range of refresh rates, or even change your lock screen for a look that's even more unique to you. PhoneOS 11 also adds a new look for software updates, allowing you to easily see the name, icon, information, and size of an update before you install it. PhoneOS 11 also includes updates to system architecture. Compared to PhoneOS 10, PhoneOS 11 provides 15% better battery life, 2 times less frame drops, a 1.3 times more stable system, and 22% faster system performance for all models. And that's PhoneOS 11 with Cover Merge, more customization, better performance, lock screen widgets, setup framework, and more. Now, let's talk about PadOS. Our next release, PadOS 11, brings more customization, ecosystem features, creative tools, and multitasking updates to your OrangePad. PadOS 11 starts with the same lock screen updates as PhoneOS, allowing you to customize your clock with even more font options. We've also brought Setup Framework to OrangePad 2, allowing you to pair accessories in just one simple tap. Your OrangePad's home screen also features a cleaner, tighter grid, fitting more apps on each page. And, with icon guidelines, each icon now looks perfectly at home on OrangePad. We're also introducing the ability for Orange Phone notifications to appear on OrangePad, making sure you never miss a beat. We've also brought an all-new design to Notes. Along with new, relocated, and easier-to-tap controls, a new floating tab bar allows you to change modes quickly at a glance. PadOS 11 also introduces a new, more robust multitasking menu. The new menu allows you to quickly select full screen or split screen version of an app. And we've better optimized all native PadOS apps for all sizes of split screen. We've also added a new, redesigned video player which includes more information, easier controls, and larger scrub bars. PadOS 11 also had the same new updates to its underlying architecture. For Orange Pad models with X series chips, dual boot switching is up to 10% faster, and the entirety of PadOS 11 and OrangeOS 11 features up to 2 times less frame drops. The system itself is also 12% more stable, with 16% faster device performance, and 50% smaller app sizes, all with up to 31% more efficient use of your device's storage. And that's PadOS 11 with a redesigned Notes app, more customization, ecosystem features like PhoneOS notifications and setup framework, a new video player, improved architecture, and faster split-screen support. Next, let's talk about WristOS. WristOS is the powerful and personal system that drives Orange Watch, and our next release, WristOS 8, takes it further than ever before. WristOS 8 starts with a new look for our default watch face. It not only features a new background, but also features a larger default clock view, which is more transparent than ever before. Now, when you press the Action button, Orange Watch features a special new animation showing which action has been selected. For instance, when you start an outdoor run, the area by the button expands, and launches right into the new, more detailed workout app. And, for when you want to see all of your stats at a glance, you can look in an all-new app, Health Reports. Health Reports logs all of your health and fitness data into one, singular app with easily glanceable and customizable view. And, if you have an Orange Watch synced with a PhoneOS device, you can view Health Reports on it as well. You can also add Health Reports new widgets and bubbles directly to your watch face or in a new, special widget view available on Orange Watch V10. You can access the new widget view by simply turning the digital crown. We're also making buttons and toggles in control board larger and easier tap. When you tap on the new flashlight control, you can choose between 3 new color options, white, red, and yellow. WristOS 8 also features our first ever Compass app. The new Compass app allows you to get information about where you are, be pointed in different directions, view a list of saved paths, create pinned places, and chart a path. And, if you're out and get lost, your friend can initiate a check-in to make sure everything's okay. We're also bringing a new design to some of our most popular and most useful apps. You can find these new, edge-to-edge designs in Maps, Music, Weather, and Settings, and developers can design and develop their apps for this new system too. And, a tighter app grid allows you to get more apps on a single page. We're also adding new watch faces, including an updated gradient face, adopting the same look as our default. And, an updated fill face now dynamically changes color with the time. And, you can color match it to your specific Orange Watch, whether it's silver, rose gold, or midnight. And that's WristOS 8, with Health Reports, colored flashlights, widget stack, new watch faces, redesigned apps, Compass, Action button UI, and more. Now, let's talk about OrangeOS, but first let's talk about the powerful hardware driving the experience, our computer lineup. Today, we're shipping our most powerful and popular lineup of computers ever. Users love the powerful OrangeBook Pro, the mighty OrangeBox, and the supercharged Orange Pro. And today, we're updating our most popular model, OrangeBook Air, and here it is. Introducing the all-new OrangeBook Air. Let's start with what's new with our 14-inch model. The 14-inch model of OrangeBook Air features a larger 14.2-inch display, our largest ever for its size. When compared to the previous 14-inch model, the new Air fits a larger display in a smaller form factor. The 16-inch model of OrangeBook Air features a larger 16.3-inch display, the largest ever on an OrangeBook. When compared to the 16-inch model of OrangeBook Pro, the new Air fits this larger display into a nearly identical footprint, all while remaining thinner and lighter than OrangeBook Pro. And, both displays run at a more responsive 1 to 90 Hz adaptive refresh rate, which flies throughout OrangeOS 10 and beyond. Both models also feature improved sustained brightness, now capable of driving up to 1000 nits in bright light. For generations ago, we began our X series of chips, and they've driven our innovations in speed, efficiency, and reliability, and today, we're taking all of that further than ever before. Introducing X5. X5 features a rebuilt 12-core CPU, which is up to 37% faster than X3. The updated 12-core GPU with ray tracing delivers up to 2 times better graphics as well. And an all-new 18-core NPU delivers 18% faster AI performance than the previous generation X4 chip, which makes OrangeBook Air fully compatible with all of the features of AVA intelligence. X5 also features a new, third-generation unified memory design, a more efficient 3nm process, and integration with H4 and T2. H4 enables support for spatial audio, lossless audio, high-impedance headphone support for hi-fi audio, and vastly improved mic system compared to older generations. T2 enables support improved connectivity, more stability, and the lightning-fast AirShare Ultra for over-the-air sharing. X5 also has support for Thunderbolt 4, which is faster and more reliable than Thunderbolt 3. With help from X5 and a new encoder and decoder, OrangeBook Air now features our first-ever Media Engine 4, capable of up to 2.3 times faster rendering than the third-generation Media Engine. And X5 joins our ever-evolving, ever-advancing X series of chips. The new OrangeBook Air also features our own custom Wi-Fi chip, a custom modem with support for 12G, and compatibility with eSIM, all while providing the same great, all-day battery life. And that's the new OrangeBook Air, powered by X5, featuring larger display, support for 12G, all-day battery life, and more. The new Air is available in 4 all-new colors: silver, gray, rose gold, and midnight. 14-inch models of OrangeBook Air start from $999, and 16-inch models start from $1199. You can pre-order both sizes today, and they'll be available next week. And they join our lineup alongside OrangeBook SE and OrangeBook Pro, continuing to deliver our best lineup we've ever shipped. But that's not all of our computer story today. We're also bringing a huge update to OTOP. Users love OTOP for its all-in-one design, fast performance, consumer-friendly design, and more, and the new OTOP takes all of this further, and here it is. Meet the new OTOP. The new OTOP starts with an all-new display. The display features a large 25-inch display, now with thinner borders. And it's built with OLED for the first time. OLED allows OTOP to achieve true, dark, and inky blacks. It's also the first Orange desktop display to support full HDR, making it perfect for editing HDR videos at home. The new display remains fast and fluid with an adaptive 1 to 90 Hz refresh rate, the same as OrangeBook Air. And a higher 6K resolution makes OTOP pixel perfect throughout. Inside, OTOP is powered by X5. X5's new CPU brings 37% faster performance compared to the previous OTOP. This is also our first OTOP with ray tracing, allowing for up to 2 times better graphics than OTOP with X3. And the new NPU enables 3.6 times faster AI performance, making this the first OTOP fully compatible with the new features of AVA intelligence. And of course, it features the other great updates of X5 as well, including our third-generation unified memory design, a more efficient 3nm process, integration with H4 and T2, Thunderbolt 4 support, and the 4th-generation Media Engine, capable of 4 times faster rendering than the previous OTOP with X3. The new OTOP is also built with our custom Wi-Fi chip, which is more efficient than older models. OTOP's new dual-color design looks great across our entire new color lineup, including gray, midnight, silver, and rose gold. And that's the new OTOP, powered by X5, featuring a large 25-inch OLED display, AVA intelligence, a 6K resolution, and more. The new OTOP starts from $1599. You can pre-order it today, and it'll be available next week. And it joins our desktop lineup alongside OrangeBox, Orange Studio, and Orange Pro. And they join alongside our OrangeBook lineup to deliver the best lineup of computers we have ever shipped. And all of these systems are supercharged by the powerful and capable OrangeOS. Our next release, OrangeOS 11, is designed to take your computer further than ever before. OrangeOS 11 starts with an updated lock screen. When logging in, the new password field is more transparent and adapts to your wallpaper. And your OrangeBook now shows which unlocking method you're using, whether it's face unlock, password, or something else. When you get to the desktop, you'll see a new, artfully blurred wallpaper, along with a menu bar that's more transparent and adaptive than ever before. We've added a new, more in-depth design for Orange Music, allowing you to see your library, playlists, and more, all at once. And, when you have multiple apps open, we're introducing Window Snap. Window Snap allows you to drag your windows to specific areas or corners of your display and have them automatically snap in their place. And we're proud to say that all Orange system apps have been designed from the ground up to work with this. Your desktop is now smarter than ever before. In addition to smart folders with Ava Intelligence, we're introducing type folders. Type folders automatically sort your items into images and videos, which makes specific things easier to find. OrangeOS 11 also features a big updates to widgets. When you add a widget to your desktop, you'll see a new, more transparent design that floats above your wallpaper. And they're more customizable, so when you double-click on them, you get a faster and simpler menu to select to see just what you want. OrangeOS 11 also features huge updates for continuity. When your Orange Watch is unlocked and on your wrist, it can automatically unlock your computer. Just like on PadOS, OrangeOS can now receive, view, and respond to notifications from your Orange phone. And, for when you need to see your Orange phone, but it's all the way across the room, we're adding Orange Phone Mirroring. Orange Phone Mirroring lets you see and control your Orange phone with your OrangeBook's keyboard and trackpad. And, we're also adding Universal Mouse. Universal Mouse allows you to use your trackpad across OrangeBook, desktop, and OrangePad, all without lifting a finger. And, we're also bringing big updates to Ava Intelligence. Our next version, Ava Intelligence 3, is a refined release bringing new looks and faster performance. It starts with a new, more transparent design when talking to Ava. The new design floats above your content more than ever, and even includes a new option to type to Ava. We're also now directly integrating Sketchbook into Ava, which makes it nearly 15% faster than just doing in the app. And, we're adding integration with ChatGPT, which gives Ava over 7.5 times more facts than Ava Intelligence 2. And, these new features are available on all of our new releases, including PhoneOS and PadOS 2. And that's OrangeOS 11, a big release with Universal Mouse, Ava Intelligence 3, Orange Phone Mirroring, Auto Folders, Window Snap, and more. Now, we want to share more updates about some of our smaller, yet just as important software. Let's start with SightOS 7, which now features Game Mode, a new high-performance mode that maxes our performance and graphics to give you the best gaming experience yet. SightOS 7 also features support for game controllers, opening a next-level world of gaming. Lastly, we're enabling our systems to be more efficient, allowing SightOS 7 to feature 15% better battery life than SightOS 6. HomeOS 5 also includes Game Mode for Orange TV, which makes gaming on the big screen even better. We're also adding Theater Mode. Theater Mode syncs across all your devices to silence notifications, dim your displays, and boost frame rates and dynamic range for the best possible experience. HomeOS 5 also includes 25% faster app installs, 20% faster app updates, and 10% faster system updates, all allowing you to get back to your content quicker than ever before. CarOS 4 introduces an update to crash detection with Crash Detection 2. Crash Detection 2 is over 10% more reliable and works even faster than before, helping get authorities to you faster and keep you safer. CarOS 4 also includes music sharing, allowing other Orange users in your car to access CarPod and share, add, and play music all on one device. And, of course, all of these features run on the amazing and capable CarPod. Today, we've got big news for CarPod, and here it is. Introducing CarPod 2 and CarPod SE. Let's start with CarPod SE. CarPod SE features great 7.9-inch size, which looks right at home in your car with its new light-colored borders. The display features anti-reflective coating, which helps it not shine bright sunlight into you or your passenger's eyes while driving. And, to remain visible in even the brightest of conditions, CarPod SE can get up to 1000 nit brightness. Inside, CarPod SE is powered by W6. W6 enables fast performance and the great features of CarPod and CarOS, like crash detection 2 with CarOS 4. CarPod SE also supports Bluetooth and wired external speakers, making your sound even better. And, it features the same magnetic attachment system introduced with the original CarPod, helping it snap onto anything. When it needs to charge, you can simply snap CarPod SE onto any mag-hold charger, the same you use for Orange Phone. And, when it's on the charger, you can achieve up to 50% charge in just 45 minutes. And, the entire connectivity experience is driven by CarOS and Orange Phone connectivity, which helps keep CarPod SE even more affordable. Now let's turn to CarPod 2. CarPod 2 starts with a larger 8.4-inch display, which is larger than the original CarPod from last year. The new display features improved nanotexture glass, which is now more durable and less scratch-prone. And, it gets even brighter, now up to 2000 nits, the brightest ever for a CarPod or an in-vehicle display. Inside, CarPod 2 is powered by W7, the same chip from OrangeWatch V10. CarPod 2 is also compatible with Crash Detection 2, features louder quad speakers, and our first ever spatial audio microphone. Unlike Orange Phone 10's spatial audio mic, CarPod 2's uses a single microphone to intelligently figure out distance, tone, noise, and sound, all coming together for truly next-level audio quality. CarPod 2 also features longer battery life, now up to 5 days from a single charge. And, when it does need to charge, you can achieve up to 65% in just 30 minutes. CarPod 2 is also our first CarPod with a cellular option. Using the same custom modem from OrangeBook Air, we've been able to bring 12G compatibility to CarPod 2, no Bluetooth or connectivity required. And that's CarPod SE and CarPod 2, with W6 or W7 chips, AVA intelligence, CarOS 4, crash detection 2, larger display, fast charging, and more. CarPod SE will start from $149, and CarPod 2 will start from $239. You can pre-order both models today, and they'll be available this July. It has truly been a huge day for our software platforms and services, and the powerful hardware that drives them, but before we go, we do have one last thing. Earlier this year, we teased an all-new product, our first set of AR glasses, and today, the day has come to reveal what we've been working on for years, and here they are. Introducing Orange Sight Air, our thinnest and lightest sight headset ever. Orange Sight Air starts with a one-of-a-kind design, crafted in 2 aluminum finishes, silver and black. The lens displays of which are completely transparent with our first ever holo display. The holo display uses transparent LEDs, edge lighting, and our precision camera system to present you a world just as lively, colorful, smooth, and beautiful as our own. It does this with a high 240 Hz adaptive smooth motion refresh rate, which is double what we've been able to achieve on any other Sight product. And this is thanks to Orange Sight Air's custom low-power chip, derived from our X-Series silicon, X5e. X5e features a powerful 8-core CPU for compute tasks, a high-end 8-core GPU for gaming, refresh rates, and driving the high-res display, and a fast 18-core NPU. Enabling features like AVA intelligence, sight read, and clusters. And, X5e enables game mode on Orange Sight Air, which lets you game like never before. For more help and power, we're adding N2, the second generation of our custom nano chips we debuted last year in Orange Pin. N2 works alongside X5e to run system apps and present the transparent displays. I1 also helps stitch together camera feeds, motion, light, and your surroundings so it's like you're wearing nothing at all. And, of course, they work with integrated version of T2 and H4, which enable better wireless sharing and compatibility, and high-quality audio. All of this power and all of these chips still fit in Orange Sight Air's thin and light design, crafted with aluminum and polycarbonate. Orange Sight Air is able to achieve up to 4 hours of battery life, thanks to an included battery pack. One of the first things you see with Orange Sight Air is its advanced camera lineup. Like all new Sight products, Sight Air features 9 high-res cameras, 5 all-new second-generation depth sensors, and 2 adaptive light sensors, which work quicker than on any other Sight product ever made. And, this camera system supports 3D video, allowing you to capture life's most precious moments. To remain fast and efficient, Sight Air also features our custom Wi-Fi chip, and a custom cellular modem, with support for 12G networks. And that's the futuristic Orange Sight Air, featuring a suite of new chips, our first ever transparent holo displays, advanced cameras, and so much more. All in our thinnest and lightest Sight product to date. Orange Sight Air will start from $24.99. You can pre-order it this fall, and it'll be available this winter. We can't wait for you to experience Orange Sight Air and the incredible innovations it brings to life. And that goes for all of announcements today, including PhoneOS 11, PadOS 11, OrangeOS 11, WristOS 8, HomeOS 5, CarOS 4, and SightOS 7. As well as our new hardware announcements, like the all-new Orange Book Air, the first X5 chip, the redesigned O-Top, your new road trips buddies, CarPod 2 and CarPod SE. And the future of mobile computing, Orange Sight Air, and its suite of new silicon like X5e, N2, and i1, it's truly a game changer. We thank you for taking the time to join us today as we unveiled huge updates that will shape our technologies, our platforms, and our products for years to come. Stay safe, stay well, and see you again soon.